Assalamualaikum guys, this is Ishan Usmani. So this is the most important stall in whole of ICNA. So these are guys are faith publications. They have a school in Maryland called Huda Schools. They are developing the whole new curriculum. So they have a book on money management, on fiqh, who is Allah, what is your belief, life skills, and they have a book coming up on marriage as well. So this is very interesting curriculum. I bought all of the books. You know, I'm working on my curriculum in Pakistan as well. So clearly I will learn something from them. So let me talk to the guy. Let's learn from the horse's mouth that what they are doing and why they are doing it. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam to Allah.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah. How are you, brother?
Please explain what you are doing and why you are doing it.
So, Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam Rasulullah. So, brother, at Harvard University here in the United States, the most sought after class for the freshman students is How to Be Happy. It's the most waitlisted class. Thousands of students want to take this class because the reality is our young people, Muslim or non-Muslim, they're suffering mentally and emotionally. Yes, they have IT, they have high-tech gadgets and all these, but people are more lonely, more mentally stressed, and they're having emotional issues on how to have simple relationships in their lives. So they are not happy. And we are seeing this even in our Islamic school, especially among our high schoolers, 9th to 12th grade. So what we've done in the last 5 or 6 years is we're redesigning our Islamic studies curriculum because Islamic studies should be the class where they find happiness. If they really know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His rahmah and His love, they will begin to love Allah. And once they love Allah, that will give them hope, optimism, confidence. So we are redesigning our Islamic studies curriculum, which means tafsir, fiqh, muamalat, aqidah, all these things, with mental health and emotional wellness in mind. We have not only Islamic scholars involved in writing and researching, but mental health professionals, social workers, and counselors. Alhamdulillah, we're taking 25 years of history of with youth work, putting it all together in these books, and the results are phenomenal, brothers and sisters. The young people are finding new purpose in their salah. They're finding peace in their salah, in their dua, and having a new relationship with Allah. So please check out our curriculum. This is how we need to give the dawah to our young people so that they're happy.
Do you have a website? If somebody wants to buy it, where do we look?
Our website is faithpublications.org.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum.